This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I am selecting the right plane. In the right plane, I'll draw this rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 16 plus 16 unit in one side, and in another side it has a dimension of 9 plus 32 plus 9 unit. Okay, after that, I will expose into this way, and it has a extrude boss of 75 unit. Then from this origin point or midpoint, I'll draw an triangle, and from this triangle, this point to this point, it has a dimension of 9 unit, and from this point to this point, it has a dimension of 9 unit. Then I will extrude cut it to this side, and it has a extrude cut dimension of 36 unit. Then in this top face, okay, I'll draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 24 by 24 plus 14 unit. Okay, then I will extrude boss in this upper way, and it has a extrude boss of 56 minus 32 unit. Okay, then I will draw a triangle like this one. Okay, and this triangle from this point to this point has a dimension of 24 unit. Then I'll use to cut to this side. So this, in this way we will draw this model. So for that I am selecting the right plane in here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Then I am selecting the corner rectangle and placing the corner rectangle here, and now dimension it to 16 plus 16 unit. Okay, and the other side it has the dimension of 9 plus 32 plus 9 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Okay, now go to features, and then extrude boss, and extrude boss it to 75 unit. Oh, okay, we are going to extrude boss it to 75 unit. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. Now we're going to select this front face. Now right click on it, this right face. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Okay, then select the line tool from here and draw an triangle. Okay, so we're going to draw a triangle. So our triangle has been done. Now select the smart dimension tool, and from this point to this vertical line it has a distance of 9 unit, so dimension it to 9 unit. In the same way, select this point and this line, and it has a dimension of 9 unit also, so dimension it to 9 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now for more clarity, if you want to see, okay, let me show you the distance from here to here is 16 unit. Okay, so select smart dimension because it is equal distance. So from here to here the distance is 16 unit. Okay, so now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 36 unit. Okay, we are going to extrude cut it to 36 unit. Now press OK. Now select this top face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Then select the corner rectangle. Okay, and placing the corner rectangle here and giving a dimension of 14 plus 24 unit. Okay, and the other side has a dimension of 24 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 56 minus 32 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now select this face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the line tool from here and draw a triangle again. Okay, drawing another triangle. So we have drawn our triangle. Now select this one dimension tool, and from this point to this vertical line it has a distance of 24 unit. So dimension it to 24 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Okay, I'm now extrude cutting it to through all, or you can use the blind tool. Both works. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.